This year for Halloween, I wanted to go with something that would give me the radical freedom to express myself. So this year for Halloween, I went as an artist. Art is not a mirror in which to reflect the world, but a hammer with which to shape it. Art does not tolerate reason. Art as art expresses a truth, an experience. No artist tolerates reality. Art is madness in the search of the absolute. Art begins on the other side of despair. Art changes society faster than politics. Art is at once surface and symbol. Art is a rebellion against the realities of its unfulfilled desire. Boredom is counter-revolutionary.
In with breaking news, a suspicious package. Suspicious package.
Suspicious package.
Suspicious package.
Suspicious package.
A suspicious package.
Suspicious packages.
Suspicious packages.
These packages.
More packages may surface.
This video is going to take a turn here. I started doing this with the intent of, like the book said, an art crime. And for installation, I was curating a spot right in front of the Capitol, right in my favorite parking spot. A high traffic area, people could see it, you know, fucking anything an artist would want. Then this package shit happened, and to make matters worse, fucking Professor Trump's coming to my town on Saturday.
He will be in Indianapolis on Saturday to address the young people attending the National FFA convention.
I wanted to post this video by Halloween, and, you know, it's fucking no fun zone for the next who knows how fucking long. It might be even a police state. I don't fucking know. But point is, I can't install anywhere that I want, so instead I curated an art district on the south side of town, and I'm gonna install it there. So here's the footage of that. Take it or leave it, assholes. I'm not going to jail for this fucking channel. Big shout outs to Nadia Tolokonikova for writing Read and Riot. It's a really good book. You should check it out.